I remain Honorable Ndode Godwin Elumelu, and I represent the good people of Anyocha Oshogbo Federal Conference. I'm from Delta State. The House notes that the Northeast Development Commission bill was signed into law in October 2017 by President Muhammadu Buhari to replace other initiatives such as the Presidential Initiative on Northeast and Victim Support Fund, and the Board of Management was inaugurated in May 2019. Further notes that the Commission was established with a mission of coordinating funds accruing from the Federation account and donor agencies for the purposes of rehabilitating and resettling of victims of insurgency, reconstruction of homes, infrastructural development, and tackling of illiteracy in the northeastern part of the country. Aware that there has been massive displacement of Nigerian citizens in the northeast as a result of the activities of Boko Haram insurgents, warehouses, schools, mosques, churches, farmlands, and businesses were destroyed, thereby rendering people homeless and jobless. Further aware that Northeast Development Commission, which was set up to ameliorate the suffering of the people and alleged to be immersed in serious corrupt practices by the management, concerned that the corrupt practices include the high-handedness by the managing director over inflation of contracts and awards of non-existent contracts, massive contract splitting, and flagrant disregard for the procurement laws in the award of the contracts. Further concerned that the 100 billion so far disbursed to the Commission by the federal government is said to have vanished under a year without any visible impact on the refugees nor any infrastructural development credited to the name of the Commission in the whole of the Northeast. Worried that there are allegations of how the MD and his close associates diverted the funds meant for the Commission to the purchasing of choice properties in highbrow neighborhoods of Abuja, Kaduna, and Maiduguri, to the detriment of the suffering refugees and infrastructural development. Further worried that there are allegations of how also the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management was said to have entered into an unholy deal with the MD of the Commission to illegally withdraw the sum of 5 billion from the account of the Commission to purchase military vehicles without any recourse to the board on acts which completely disregard the country's procurement laws and must be seriously disturbed that though the managing director single-handedly procured all COVID-19 materials and supplies to the tune of 5 billion without an approval from the board, there is said to be another massive corruption scheme on the verge of being implemented in the name of housing scheme without the board's knowledge. Further disturbed that this consistent abuse of procurement laws, if not put in check, may defeat the purpose of the establishment of the Commission, hence the need for an urgent investigation. They have therefore resolved to mandate the House Committee on Finance and Niger Northeast Development Commission to exhaustively investigate these allegations and report back to the House within 8 weeks, as so submit.